Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's Shopping Sunday at the Dollar Tree, and I spotted some new items as well as some longtime favorites that have just arrived. So let's dive in. Now, first of all, some craft sections have been kind of scarce lately, we've noticed, but rest assured, crafts are not leaving the Dollar Tree. Now, I have noticed that they are revamping and relabeling lots of their products with some green, some blue, and even purple labels. Now, the manager at the store let me know that they are working to get the products back in stock, but as we all know, the time and the financial impacts of getting things from overseas is causing a lot of delays. Now, this is not happening just at Dollar Tree, but many other large and small businesses, so patience is definitely the key here. So as you can see, look at these new blue packaging, same product, but they're changing the packaging and revamping everything in the craft section from that tan color. Now, these with the purple label are new. I've never seen these before. So these are some standing wood decor pieces, you guys. I've never seen this version before at my stores, and they had a bunch of different characters and also some flowers. So these have wood overlays and they are solid wood. So that means that these can definitely be stained. They can be painted, whatever you want to do. I think these would look so cute in a children's room or a nursery. So keep those options alive when you are thinking about crafting with these types of items. Another item that has returned that is a favorite are these little ceramic animals. I am so happy to see these back because I needed another elephant and it just showed back up. They also had a dog and a cat and some other animals. So make sure you check these out. Now, all the crafts are still $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So FYI, that is still the price for the craft section. These are also back in stock, you guys, with the purple tags. These have snakes and whales and dolphins, all kinds of little segmented shapes. Now, these are probably one of my favorites. I'm glad these are also restocked. These are the 3-piece wood cutouts. Now, this one is a star pack. Then you have this one, which is a circle pack. It has 3 different sizes of the circles and 3 different sizes of the hearts. I love that you get 3 pieces for just $1.25. I had to also check out the fabric, and this time they have the velvety looking fabrics in assorted colors. Now, these are all kind of like a fat quarter size from the Crafter Square. They have the blue, the pink, the purple, the red, all kinds of colors that you could use to craft with. Now, let me know what you would use for this velvety type of fabric, because I usually deal with cottons and polyesters in a lot of my crafts, but what would you use this velvety fabric for? It's so pretty. I didn't want to pass it up. I did pick a couple of rolls up just to add to my stash, so let me know what you would do. Now, they also have these are the gem stickers. You can see they've been relabeled, but they have a bunch of different gems in these sticker packs. Now, I'd also spotted this sewing kit. This is a 28-piece sewing kit. This is usually sold up by the registers. So this particular kit is $1.50, but you get so many pieces for that price. Now, this isn't in the craft section, but it's in the kids section, and these are pour and paint kits. Now, what this is, it has a tray on the back where you can make 2 plaster figurines. Now, this comes with everything you need in the pack in these different themes. You get the 1 tray with the molds, you get the bag of plaster powder, you also get a 4-pack of paint with 4 different colors and the little paintbrush inside. So this is great to use for the kiddos. You can also use the finished plaster products in other crafts. Now, I also spotted this at the end of the craft and the floral aisle. Dried flowers. If you love that natural look, check out the dried flower selection that they do have. These are also just $1.50 along with the other flowers. Now, Dollar Tree had some home decor not too long ago with the dried flowers inside. And if you're looking to change it out or just use them for any other craft or creation, make sure you check these little bundles out. And these are all natural dried flower sets. You want to make sure you shift through them because there is a bunch of different ones in there. Cinco de Mayo is on the way and they're starting to put some things out on the shelf. Now, my Dollar Tree only had a few of the Cinco de Mayo items out, but I wanted to just kind of give you a sneak peek to let you know what's heading out. Now, these flags here is something that I have purchased before because I have DIY'd with these. Now, what I did with these flags is I painted them white. I made them into a tile pattern and then I framed them with the Dollar Tree blocks and added a wreath. Now, if you would like to see the full tutorial on this, I will link it in the description box below. Now I went over back to the home decor section. I found some new candles, the icebreakers, the jumbo honey bun, and the Reese's. These are ones that I did not see last week, but if you want to see them all, check out my last video. Over in the garden section, the little plant hangers are back, but look, they look slightly different from years before. I noticed they have an additional swirl at the bottom. I'm so glad they upgraded these. You can get these in black and white, and make sure the ones that you pick have the little hardware pack attached to it with the tags so you can mount these, but these can be done using crafting or to hang your plants up, and you can get them in black and white. Now over in the kitchen section, they have new burner covers. These three I have never seen before at the Dollar Tree. And again, you could be creative with these. These can be also used in your craft room by painting them. You can make tiered trays. You could make little signs. So many different ideas. Over in the cleaning section, I found this ribbed damp sponge. Now, I've never seen a sponge textured like this at the Dollar Tree. This is definitely a new arrival at my store. So all the cleaning items are $1.50 now. And if you're looking for this ribbed sponge, I did find it next to the broomstick hangers. Now this was definitely a score. I have been on the hunt for this for a while. So these are Home Breeze room sprays. Now this one is gardenia and peony. It's got notes of peony, gardenia, and sandalwood in this, and they come in a 6-ounce bottle. The next one is this one. This one's amber and sandalwood. So this one has notes of amber, vanilla, and sandalwood in there. All these smell so good, you guys. You have to try them out. They have this one as well. So this is the sandalwood and musk. It's got notes of amber, musk and rose, violet, and sandalwood. And then one I overlooked real quick was this one, the eucalyptus and neroli, with notes of eucalyptus, neroli, and musk and cedar. $1.50 for these. Now over in the health and beauty, I found these washcloths. They have Disney Princess and Stitch. They also have Spider-Man and Mickey Mouse character towels as well. Have you seen the microfiber hair towels in hair towels in Smurfs and SpongeBob? Those were available as well. And looky here, I looked up and found the new hand sanitizers, you guys. I've never find these the first time, but I did find them. Lotus Blossom and Cherry Blossom are the new scents. There's also this is something I've never seen before. So this is a new lotion by Extra Care. It's got a soothing body lotion. I've heard some reviews, but let me know if you have tried this. Also, the new collection, Amber Glow, there's so many pieces out, but all I found was the pink vanilla aluminum-free deodorant. I can't wait to find the other pieces in this collection. Now, if you're looking for lip balms, they have this one here with guava pineapple. They have this one here in the blue. This is berry pineapple. And then the last one back there is sweet pineapple. I've never seen these lip balms before at Dollar Tree. And for Peeps lip balms, let me tell you, they had a couple of these as well. They have vanilla, they had grape, they had strawberry, and cotton candy marshmallow scents. These would be great to put inside of an Easter basket. So if you're looking for Easter basket fillers, make sure you check out the makeup and beauty sections at Dollar Tree. This was also something I've never seen before. So this is a 5-blade mini razor. Never saw that before. $1.25 at Dollar Tree, as well as this metallic nail pen. Now I saw these metallic nail pens in gold and silver. This was a first time find for me. I've never seen it before. Great if you want to paint the nails, accent the nails, or put little designs on them. I just thought that was neat. Still, all the cosmetics here are $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So make sure you check that out. I hopped over to the food section. They have some new items. This is the Pepero snack sticks. Never seen these before. So this one is in strawberry. They have this one they call white cookies. So it's like a cookies and cream version. And then the last one is original chocolate. So these are like the Pocky sticks, but they're called Pepero. I've never seen these before at Dollar Tree. And these are just $1.25 for these items. Another item that I saw were these drinks. They had new flavors out. So make sure you look out for these. I did see 3 of them. And I tell you, I've heard a lot of reviews about these. So make sure you check them out and tell me your review on these 3 new flavors. Now over in the toy section, I found these little metal buckets. So cute. They have them in the Ninja Turtle that says Turtle Power. You can also get the Smurfs down here. They have the little Smurf family on there. They have Garfield in purple. Now these are actually pretty well made. I was actually kind of impressed. They also have SpongeBob. Now they're heavy and well made. So these are $1.75 since they're in the toy section. Now, if you're looking for large buckets for Easter, check these out. Now, I think these are meant to take to the beach, but these are great to use for Easter baskets because you can fill them with all kinds of things. Look how big they are. So they had the shark and the mermaid one. And in this large bucket, I saw these 2, but on another aisle, I did see a 3rd one that was a white color. So yes, make sure you check these out if you're looking for a large kind of oversized Easter basket. Now, if you're looking for something that is just regular, they do have these Easter baskets in a little baby chick look, or you can get the bunny if you just want something just for the Easter season. I found these for the first time too. So these are little egg-shaped containers. Now this is nesting. So there's 2 containers included in here. I love how they have the little treats on the lids there. I love you get 2 pieces for $1.50. They also have this Easter bunny shaped egg holder. I did find these in green and purple. And just a heads up, all the Easter things are $1.50. So now I'm going to head over to the plus section. There's more Easter hanging out over there, including these 2-foot tall bunnies. We have seen these before, but they are put back on the shelf just for this season. You can also get these in a gnome style, and they're 2 feet tall and still only $5 for this standing piece. So make sure you check those out. Also, these were very impressive too. So this is a 2-pack of mini oven mitts. First of all, the thickness is A1. I love the thickness of these. And you get 2 of them a pack for $5. Now inside of the gripper part of a lot of these pot holders, they have the little silicone nubs so you can hold on to whatever you're trying to handle in your oven. And these can withstand up to 450 degrees, which I can definitely appreciate on that. But yes, if you're looking for Easter themed oven mitts in the mini version, definitely check that out on your plus aisles, because my Dollar Tree had a whole display of these. It was so full, I had to take them off and put them in my cart. Check out these peeps. These are bunny 10-inch LED candle peeps that light up, and they are battery operated. These are $7. So if you are a Peeps fan and you're looking to collect more Peeps memorabilia, definitely check these out. They're $7 at Dollar Tree. Pots. Let's talk planter pots. Now, Dollar Tree really blew me away with all of these pots. Now, at first glance, these look like ceramic pots, but these are like a really thick resin material. I was so impressed with these pots. So first of all, they had a variety of textures and colors available on this, like a lot of your ombres. They even had some natural colors. I tell you, I was so torn about which one to choose. And look, they even have white ones with florals on them. I love that design. So classic. Now, the great thing about these pots, they're not only heavyweight, and they actually are really great quality. They're only $3. I mean, look at this boho one. I love this with the little feet on the bottom. And this one is thicker than the ones in the 150 section, much thicker. So you can get any one of these for $3. I knew that these were $5, but when I scanned them, they were only $3, you guys. Now check these out. These with the earthy tones, really gorgeous. They have them in an ombre look. If you're looking for more of a natural look and a natural vibe, they had you covered. And every time I got finished filming these pots, I'd move them over and find even more. So this is why this is keep going on, because I kept finding more. I just had to feature for you guys so you know which ones to look for in your store. Now this store did have a pretty wide selection of them, so you want to make sure you move things around, and if they're stacked, unstack them, because I found some hiding that way, stacked inside of another pot. So make sure you check those out. Now I did find these as well that are $3. I knew these were ceramic, but no, they are still that resin thick material. These are also $3 and it's pretty heavy. This one is like a mint green. They also have this one. This one is in a black with that shiny finish. You can also get it in white. So make sure you check these out. I was really impressed by the quality of these for just $3 at Dollar Tree. Another item they had in gardening is this solar mosaic light. Aren't these pretty, you guys? So this is solar light and it's got that mosaic design on it. You guys, these are only $6 at Dollar Tree. Really great price for this item. More things for the garden are these metal stake signs. Now these are for your garden. Love grows here, sprout some joy, let love grow. They had all kinds and they have them on a long stake to put them in your garden. Now you don't have to use these for your garden. You can stake them in a house plant. You could detach the stake and use that little metal plaque as a decor for a DIY. It's all up to you. I love multi-purpose. Now these stake signs are only $3 for each 3-pack of these. Now right next to it, they have something interesting I've never seen before. These are plant support clips. They do come in a 20 count package. These are also $3. Now these are great if you have some vining plants, kind of training them to run up trellises or anything. They're 20 pieces for $3. I found some Anchor hocking items, you guys. This large jar that is 64 ounces, you guys. This was only $5 at Dollar Tree. They only had like 4 or 5 left at the store, so they have definitely been purchased. Another novelty item that I found in a plus section is this squishy kitty light. I just thought this was the cutest thing, and this got me thinking about Easter basket things. So you squish this little light up kitty and it changes colors. You can have it a solid color or even a rainbow color, and this is just $5. Now if you're looking for something like a little soft night light or something like that, this would also work for that. So really sweet. Right next to it, they have this. This is the Galaxy Moonlight, and it also has the little stand included. This is also just $5. Now lately, Dollar Tree has been having a lot of fun, like $5 novelty type of items. Really cute. Now this projection light has 16 colors on it. So if you're looking for a little backlight, maybe for video recording or room ambiance, this is also just $5. Another great item for $5 at Dollar Tree in their plus sections. And don't forget, food items are showing up in plus, and you can get these bags for $2.75, highly comparable to what Walmart sells them for, except you don't have to go to the big box store to get it. Just stop and grab it at Dollar Tree. Now, if you missed my last video at Dollar Tree that was packed with tons of awesome new finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope that you find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.